Install the blowing machine die head. When installing the die head, first install the lifting ring. Use an overhead crane to lift and install the die head. Tighten all the connecting screws on the die head and its junction diagonally. Install all the screws on the die head support bracket. Install the hydraulic cylinder oil pipe. Install the servo return oil pipe. Install the servo valve. Install all the screws on the servo valve. Install the servo water supply. Install the servo scale. Install the servo valve connector. Install the scale connector. Install the heating ring at the line of the machine barrel. Connect the wires according to their corresponding numbers and cover the heating junction box. Connect the wires of the heating ring connectors and thermocouple connectors corresponding to the numbered sections of the die head. The die head installation is complete.